Right here I'm doing some weeding in the garden. So really I'm getting rid of the weeds that would become competition for the growing crop plants. Here I'm spraying the crops, the plants, with some homemade insecticide, which is like neem. And I got some neem leaves, poured some hot water in it, and strained it off, and added to a spray bottle, and that's what I used. And so far it's been fairly effective. Alright, so I went ahead and added some organic fertilizer, so that with the hope that this would add some well needed nutrition to the soil, because see where the plants were under disease pressure and they weren't growing as strongly as I'd like. So I just add it, and I saw some significant improvement in this rate of growth and the health of the plants, leaves, and better flowering and so on.